Hey, if you're in Florida and you even work in the zip code of multifamily property management, apartments, I want to talk to you about coming and hanging out with me at the Florida Apartment Association's annual conference. It's September 28th through the 30th at the beautiful, the gorgeous, the insanely amazing Diplomat Beach Resort in Hollywood, Florida. You're going to have an opportunity to hang out with me for 2 hours. I'm going to be giving 2 different sessions. One, I'm going to spend the first hour talking to you about how to handle renters' objections, how to handle prospects' objections, how to handle renters' and prospects' complaints, how to know the difference between an objection and a complaint. Second hour, we're going to be talking about how you can build value and really connect, really make a connection with your renters and your prospects. Oh, and by the way, hey, my name's Matt Easton. If we haven't met before, I'm the most effective sales trainer in the world. Why is sales training so important for property management? The old way of renting apartments, it just simply does not work today. And as we know, we're coming into a little bit different time in our economy. We're coming into a little bit different time in the world of property management. And let's face it, with the new world we live in, there's going to be some big losers and there's going to be some big winners. And for you to be one of the big winners, all you have to do is make some simple changes to your sales process, some simple changes to the way you communicate with renters and residents. And I'm going to show you how to do that. If you want to hang out with me at the beautiful Diplomat Resort, go to faaconference.com. If you want to learn how to handle objections, go to faaconference.com. If you just want to learn how to make your life easier in property management, how to build value with those prospects, with those residents, go to faaconference.com, buy a ticket. I'm telling you, if we had spent this time together in a one-on-one session, we're talking multiple thousands of dollars that you would have to pay for the information that I'm going to share with you at the beautiful Diplomat Resort in Hollywood, Florida, September 28th through the 30th. Get your ticket now, faaconference.com.